Yeah. You want me to work and get my paintbrush up there. But you know what? I told you I had something exciting to tell you that I think you might be excited about. Okay. And I wanted to see the whites of your eyes when I tell you to see. And that's going to tell me whether or not you think it's a good idea or not. Okay?
Can I guess
first? Huh? You want to guess?
Yeah.
Okay, guess.
Tom Selleck's going to appear.
Oh, God. How did you know? No.
He likes to paint.
You like Tom Selleck? He's a relic.
Handsome relic.
Okay.
Okay, so go ahead. What's your
No, I know you said your passion. Your passion is what? You want to design clothes, right?
Yeah.
So I had an idea. And I got to see the whites of your eyes when I tell you. I am thinking, what would you think if you designed some stuff and I pay you for it, you designed some clothes for Video Joe with Video Joe's name on it, for hats and some cool logo or something, and maybe some different things on there, and then even maybe some a cool work shirt with, you know, I mean, I don't know. Some things could be for guys, some things could be for girls with my name on there. And
yeah,
I don't know. What do you think?
Well, I think it's important. I do think it's important to have your name on there, just because when people are watching you, they can see, oh, it's Video Joe Knows, and I'm into shameless self-promotion. I mean,
well, yeah, it's going to have my website on there and how I can help them, maybe different sayings.
The only thing though is, especially when it comes to your hats,
yeah,
I think that you could monetize by getting a promoter to also sponsor you, because you look great in that Lowe's hat. I love it. And
okay.
So I think that you could do that. But for the shirts, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, navy blue.
Yes.
Yeah, have your website blue.
How did you know that's my favorite color? I've never told you that before.
I'm a psychic shoe girl.
Okay. All right. So you sort of like the idea.
Oh, I know. I love the idea, but you don't have to pay me. I'm going to help you.
What do you mean? Forget you. Okay. Because you're gonna design.
How about a white stripe?
You're gonna design some shirts for me that have never been designed before.
Oh.
You know, stuff like that.
Okay.
And they can
careful.
have and they can have my name on it.
Uh-huh.
And you're gonna have to do some hats for me. You know, something. And I need a logo, some cool logo. You know, a branded type logo, so when somebody sees that, they know it's Video Joe.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll talk more about it.
I'm gonna come up with something funny, Joe. Just letting you know.
What?
You should go to a professional for this one. Okay, I'll be serious.
And you know, I've got a name for you too.
What's that?
I maybe I shouldn't put it on YouTube.
What's that?
Your design name, your clothing design name.
Hot biscuit?
Nope.
What's that?
Should I say it? Okay, I'll say it, and then I can edit it out.
Yeah, you can say it.
Ted's.
Ted's?
T-E for Terry.
Yeah.
E-D for Edmonds.
Uh-huh.
And S for
Sassy.
ownership. Sassy there. Ted's.
I don't know. It's not very girly.
No? Okay.
Maybe for some guys.
All right.
I'm gonna paint some more.
Yes, enough of my ideas.
I'm applying paint to the walls.
Yes, get back to work, will you? Because, you know, we got to get done tonight, remember? Okay.
Yay!
Out to lunch, I wish. Here, you say it this time. So yeah. We'll be back.
So we'll be back next time with more how to make yourself tired.
We have to do that again. We have to do that again. That's all we got for this time, but we'll be back with more videos.
Okay.
Do you remember?